For decades, this tiny Fiat was forgotten. Once, it was someone's pride and joy, a simple little car built for everyday life. But time wasn't kind to it. The paint had faded, the body was covered in grime, the wheels were heavily weathered, and inside, the cabin looked almost untouched since another era. Now, the question was simple. Could this abandoned 1972 Fiat 126 become a show car again? The restoration team didn't know the answer, so they started with a complete inspection. Every panel was examined, the doors were checked, the hood was opened, the engine bay was carefully inspected. Years of dust had settled everywhere, but beneath the dirt, there were signs of something special. The original shape was still there, the classic proportions were still recognizable, and most importantly, the car still had its character. The first cleaning started gently. Loose dirt was brushed away. The body was washed carefully. Grime slowly disappeared. The tiny Fiat started looking less like an abandoned car and more like a restoration project. Then the wheels were removed. The tires were inspected. The brakes were checked. Underneath, the team discovered more work waiting. The underbody needed attention. Some areas showed corrosion. Others were simply covered in years of accumulated dirt. Nothing was hidden anymore. The team now knew this restoration would take patience. The interior was next. Dust was removed from the dashboard. The seats were carefully cleaned. The carpets were lifted. Every small compartment was inspected. The cabin slowly began to reveal its original personality. Then, the engine bay was cleaned. The little engine was finally visible. It had been sitting for a long time before anyone could attempt to start it. Every major system would have to be checked: fuel, cooling, electrical, brakes, and mechanical components. The team wasn't trying to make the Fiat look new overnight. They were trying to bring back what made it special, and after decades of abandonment, the transformation was finally beginning. But the biggest question was still unanswered. Could this tiny 1972 Fiat 126 really become a show car again? The restoration had only just begun. The first layer of neglect was finally gone. Now, the real condition of the Fiat 126 could be seen. The faded paint had lost its shine. The body showed years of exposure, and underneath, there was plenty of work to do. The restoration team started with the body. Every damaged area was carefully marked. Old trim was removed. Loose seals were taken out. The bumpers were carefully detached. Nothing was rushed, because with a classic car, every original detail can matter. Then, the corrosion treatment began. Affected metal was carefully cleaned. Weak sections were repaired where necessary. The goal was to preserve as much original material as possible. The tiny Fiat started looking very different. Then, the body panels were prepared. Sanding was done gradually. The old surface was leveled. Imperfections began disappearing. The workshop filled with the sound of careful restoration work. Sanding, cleaning, metal preparation. Piece by piece, the body became smoother. Then, the team turned to the wheels. The old wheels were stripped and carefully restored. Years of brake dust and corrosion were removed. The original shape started returning. Fresh tires were prepared for the rebuilt chassis. Next, the suspension was inspected. Worn components were replaced where needed. The brakes received attention too. The tiny Fiat was slowly becoming mechanically sound. Then, the engine bay was cleaned even more thoroughly. The compact engine was inspected, connections were checked, the fuel system was examined, the cooling system was inspected, and the electrical components were tested. The little engine had survived years of neglect, but the team still wasn't ready to start it. There were too many unknowns. Everything had to be checked first, then the body was prepared for primer. The restored metal received its first protective layer. The old faded surface was disappearing. For the first time, the Fiat started looking like a serious restoration. The original silhouette was becoming cleaner. The little car was finally starting to look like the show car the team imagined, but there was still a long road ahead. The paint hadn't been applied, the interior wasn't finished, and the engine still had to prove that it could run. The next stage would determine whether this forgotten Fiat could truly come back to life. The body was finally taking shape, but a show car needs more than a beautiful exterior. It needs a working heart, and for this little Fiat, that meant the original engine. After decades of neglect, the engine needed a complete inspection. The restoration team started carefully. Every connection was checked. Every hose was inspected. Every electrical component was tested. Old residue was cleaned away. The compact engine was slowly becoming presentable again. The fuel system received attention. The cooling system was inspected. The ignition components were checked, and all essential service items were evaluated. The goal wasn't simply to make the engine look clean. It needed to run properly. Then, the suspension was rebuilt. Old worn components were replaced where necessary. The brakes were restored. The wheel hubs were cleaned. New tires were fitted to the freshly restored wheels. The tiny Fiat was finally standing on its own mechanical foundation. Then, the interior received another transformation. The seats were carefully restored. The dashboard was cleaned. The steering wheel was detailed. The carpets were refreshed. The door panels were reinstalled. Every small detail was carefully returned to its place. The cabin started looking like a genuine 1970s time capsule. Then, the engine bay was completed. The battery was connected. The workshop went quiet. The ignition was switched on. The dashboard came alive. The team watched carefully. Then, the starter was engaged. For a moment, nothing. They checked the system again. Another attempt. Then, the little engine turned over. A few moments later, it started. The sound was small, but for the restoration team, it was huge. After years of abandonment, the Fiat 126 was alive again. They monitored the engine carefully. Temperature, oil pressure, electrical systems, cooling, everything was watched closely. The engine settled into a steady rhythm. The team finally smiled. The mechanical restoration had succeeded, but the car still wasn't ready for the showroom. The exterior needed its final paint. The trim needed installation. The glass needed attention, and every final detail had to be perfected. The little Fiat was getting closer to becoming the show car everyone had imagined. The little Fiat was finally alive. The engine was running. The interior had been restored. The suspension was rebuilt, but one final transformation remained. The exterior had to become showroom perfect. The body was prepared one last time. Every panel was inspected. Every tiny imperfection was corrected. The surface was carefully sanded until it was smooth. Then, the paint booth was prepared. The Fiat 126 was rolled inside. The doors closed, and the transformation began. The first coat was applied, then another. Slowly, the faded old body disappeared beneath. A fresh period-correct finish, the tiny Fiat, started looking like a completely different car. After the paint had properly cured, the polishing began. The surface was refined until the body produced deep reflections. Then came the details. Chrome trim was restored. The bumpers were fitted. The headlights were installed. The glass was cleaned and carefully fitted. The badges were returned to their original positions. Every detail made the car feel more complete. Then, the restored wheels were installed. Fresh tires completed the stance. The little Fiat was finally standing proudly on its own four wheels. Inside, the final touches were added. The seats were positioned. The dashboard was polished. The steering wheel was cleaned. The carpets were finished. The cabin looked like a perfectly preserved 1970s time capsule. Then, the final inspection. The team walked around the entire car. Paint, glass, trim, wheels, lights, interior, engine, brakes, everything was checked one last time. Then, the workshop doors opened. The Fiat rolled outside. Sunlight hit the fresh paint. The transformation was impossible to miss. The abandoned little car that once looked beyond saving now looked ready for a show. The engine started easily. The Fiat moved onto the road slowly. The first test drive began. The steering was checked. The brakes were tested. The engine ran smoothly. Everything worked together. After the test, the Fiat returned to the workshop. But this time, it wasn't an abandoned project. It was a finished classic. The final reveal was ready. The Fiat was positioned under professional studio lights. The camera moved slowly across the body. The paint reflected the lights. The chrome sparkled. The wheels looked fresh. The interior looked beautifully preserved. And the tiny silhouette that had once been covered in dust now stood like a genuine show car. The answer was finally clear. Yes, the abandoned 1972 Fiat 126 could become a show car again. And it did, because restoration isn't always about building something new. Sometimes it's about saving something old before it's forgotten forever. From abandoned to restored, from neglected to beautiful, from forgotten to show ready. The little Fiat got its second chance, and now it's ready